In this case, we won't be altering alerts. Despite having styled form error and form success messages in the style guide, we'll style the form messages directly in Webflow, within the form itself. Leave these as they are. Moving on to input, our input has a 30 pixels radius. Simply apply this on the parent input class. Default state, neutrals 200, color white. Hover state remains the same. For focused state, let's check. Pressed can be removed in this case. Focused needs to be replaced. In the focused state, it remains white, and the border will be neutrals 700. Placeholder is naturals 400. Yes, I think we'll return to naturals 400, and the form itself neutrals 700. Overwrite from the top. Let's check. Everything works. Excellent. We see here that the background changes upon focused. Let's go back and check here. It will be neutrals 50, not white, similar to hover. Let's see what else we can do.